Mount Rainier National Park is well known for its dense forests, waterfalls, wildflower meadows, river valleys, and of course, its icy glaciers. This park offers dozens of possibilities for hikers, with more than 260 miles of trails that wander through magnificent forests and peaceful meadows on the flanks of Mount Rainier and its glaciers. Mount Rainier is the highest mountain in Washington state and the tallest peak among the 48 contiguous states. Over the years, it's been called Talol, Tacoma, or Tahoma, meaning Mother of Waters, but was named Rainier in honor of Rear Admiral Peter Rainier, who was the first European to discover the mountain. The top of Mount Rainier is covered by 26 glaciers, each bearing a name. Mount Rainier National Park is the home of over 150 beautiful waterfalls. They range in size from the small water runoff variety to roaring falls over 300 feet high. Many of the waterfalls can be seen from the roadside, but those that are hidden in the park are definitely worth the searching. Every year, more than 2 million tourists visit Mount Rainier National Park, featuring over 600 campsites and lodges. The Mount Rainier region offers excellent outdoor experiences year-round and not just limited to hiking and skiing. You could go horseback riding, mountain biking, fishing, kayaking, or any other water recreation. There are steam train rides and a lot of other things to enjoy. Reflection Lakes receives its name from the full reflection of Mount Rainier in its waters. The picturesque view of Mount Rainier at Reflection Lakes is one of the most often photographed locations in the park. In summertime, the lakes are surrounded by wildflowers. In winter, the water freezes over to create a beautiful frozen lake covered with snow. Fishing, wading, and swimming are prohibited at Reflection Lakes, but you can still enjoy the beauty of the lakes framed with lupine, fireweed, and the occasional trout jumping out of the water. The 2 3/4 miles loop trail allows you to find yourself surrounded by wildflowers, streams, meadows, and panoramic views. Alta Vista is a magnificent trail with gorgeous views. In Spanish, Alta Vista means high view, and that's exactly what you'll enjoy on this trail. On a clear day, hikers may not only enjoy Mount Rainier, Sluiskin Falls, Pinnacle Peak, and the castle, but also Mount Adams and Mount St. Helens. Alta Vista is also a great place to enjoy the beauty of summer wildflowers that brighten the meadows. Visitors will encounter avalanche lilies, magenta paintbrush, lupine, partridge foot, bistort, valerian, and asters. Fall is a great season to take this hike and enjoy the colorful and picturesque flower carpet under your feet. The Alta Vista Trail is considered to be steeper than other well-known nature trails in the region, but you won't need special equipment for hiking because the trail is paved. Hikers also recommend taking a lunch because the elevation of almost 6,000 feet makes for a spectacular picnic opportunity.
喜欢我的视频，请关注、转发。